Good morning. Sir, you were charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, yes. On December 16th, 2024, at approximately 12:48 a.m., officers were dispatched to a major crash at the 6100 block of Ridgemont Street in Harris County, Texas. Upon arrival, the officer made contact with the other officers who had advised that when they arrived on the scene, the defendant, the sole occupant of the motor vehicle, had crashed into the ditch. Upon contact with the defendant, the officer observed bloodshot, watery eyes, slurred speech, and a strong odor of an alcoholic beverage. An inventory search of the vehicle revealed one bottle of whiskey under the front passenger seat, which was 2/3 empty. Standard field sobriety tests were attempted. HGN 6 out of 6. The walk and turn was refused, and 4 out of 4 on the one leg stand. The DIC was read, but the defendant refused. A blood search warrant was.
Can you run his criminal history, please? I'd like to see if he has any other DWIs.
Your Honor, there's no prior DWIs.
Is there an allegation that he was allegedly consuming alcohol while he's driving?
No, Your Honor, they only found a bottle under the passenger seat. Not cold with touch or anything like that.
Mr. Nesbitt, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Have you run his license to see if he has a Texas driver's license?
It's eligible, Your Honor.
All right. I'm ordering you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or illegal drugs, your bond will be revoked. You will go to jail. No more PR bonds. Do you understand, sir?
Yes.
Okay. You have a license. You're not allowed to drive unless you have car insurance as well in your name. I'm making that also a condition of your bond. Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer, sir?
I'm sorry?
Are you working? What do you do in life?
I'm a mechanic.
What
But
kind of
I
money?
can afford an attorney.
Do you want to apply for an appointed lawyer, sir?
Yes.
Okay. We'll give you an application. I need to know everything about you. Don't just put zeros because I'm going to send it right back to you. I need to know everything about you. And if you qualify, we'll appoint your lawyer. But just remember, don't consume alcohol. Don't use illegal drugs. You understand, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Stephen will give you the application. I'll have you sign a receipt with Ramona, and then we'll have you take a seat in the jury box, sir. Did you want to talk?
Yeah. I've got a case, Derek Adams, on the docket. He was supposed to complete 2 classes by today.
Not do it?
No, he did,
Right.
but he didn't pass one of them. And the contract doesn't require passing, it just requires taking. And so, Ms. Saba, hey,
Judge,
contracts.
I just needed chief approval that that's sufficient. I've never been in this situation. Like, I don't know if I can dismiss a case for failing an effective decision-making course, but attempting
Get
it.
this, Judge. There's not a single chief working today. So it seems like there's not really effective.
So let's roll it to tomorrow. Have him take it again.
I'm not coming back here.
Zoom in. That's why I have Zoom, to make it easier for you.
That's true. I'm appointed. Money's really tight for him. The
This
contract
is 1,292 days old. We've given him how much grace to get this thing done over and over? Really?
And it was
Judge.
just 2 classes, Judge.
Last time, if you didn't have it done, you didn't have it passed. I'm carrying you day for day.
the contract doesn't require passing. I mean, I'm actually serious about that. Although it's funny.
I would be hard pressed to find a chief that's going to acquiesce to that. I mean, really,
I mean,
I don't know.
It was just, it was a pretty good PTI offer, Judge. It was just effective decision-making and a gun safety class, both of which are 2 hours. The effective.
Yeah, it's a 2-hour class, right?
Costs
Corey?
$22, I believe. There's no reason he shouldn't be able to do it again.
Just, a lot of times they don't take it seriously. So let's roll it to tomorrow, have him do it again, and then let him know we're going to redo it day for day until he gets it done. At nearly 1,300 days, I have no sympathy for this person.
what's the term? A collateral estoppel or something like breach of contract? It's not my bag of chips.
Remember, they're the ones that have the power to dismiss. I don't.
Right.
They're the ones, I just sign it. They're the ones who actually file the motion.
I know that.
So do we know when is
asking.
she coming back?
I mean, Kelsey won't be back till Monday, Judge.
Okay, so let's roll it to tomorrow.
Yeah.
Have him take it again. Maybe he'll pass it this time. Tell him to pay closer attention. It's only 2 hours. It's not much. If he doesn't want to do it, okay, I'm just going to roll him to Monday. I'm going to keep doing it. It's 1,300 days. We got to take care of this.
As long as I have a chief tell me that the attempt is fine, like I just can't make that call, Judge.
Did you see how good of an attempt it was?
He failed it. It was like a 50%.
Somewhere around 57.
So
I'm rolling it to tomorrow.
is there a possibility that we're gonna have a chief?
No.
As long as there's another
not one
chief.
But if he passes, it gets dismissed.
Yeah, and I can ask another, like, if our bureau chief is here or one of our deputy dogs, I can go ask them after docket, Judge.
It's up to you.
Oh, I've been around everywhere. There's no chiefs.
Well, I mean, they would be on the 5th floor, Judge.
Yeah, well, regardless, I mean, we have a lot of work to do. We have 3 other courts that we need to cover as well.
Yeah.
So have him try it again tomorrow. If he doesn't want to do it, then we're just going to roll till Monday.
I'm saying.
Yeah,
Thank
really.
Is Diane here?
He's here, yes.
Adams?
In this courtroom, a man is charged with driving while intoxicated after crashing his car, and the judge sets strict rules like no alcohol, drug testing, and getting a lawyer. Another man with a past criminal record also faces a DWI case. Even though there are arguments about whether he was actually driving while drinking, he pleads guilty. The judge warns him that his repeated mistakes are dangerous and could harm others. He is sentenced to 180 days in jail along with 2 years of probation, including treatment and education programs. Overall, the judge emphasizes that drunk driving is serious, and people must take responsibility and change their behavior before it leads to worse consequences.